Why, silly bot? Why? Yeah, what? What up, that silly little bot? What up with that silly little bot? What up with that silly little bot? Where's he going? He don't know where to go, huh? Silly guy. What? What, my little cutie pie? Where you going? You don't know where you're going. You're walking in circles. You're walking in circles, you silly little butt, you. What? What's up, my little butt? What? Look at this silly boy. Walking in circles. I'm walking in circles. I'm walking in circles, sitting in this circle, boy. Where you going, monkey? Where you going, monkey bunker? Come here, silly bot. Come here, silly bot. Big gooey guy, you. Meowy boy. Meowy boy. Did I love my boy? Yeah. Love my boy. Love that bot. Love that bot. Silly boy. Monka bunka. Not that little monka. Not that little monka bot. What, baby? Yeah. Remember that, mama? Love my bot. Where you going? Over to your corner. Where's that baby going? Where's that buddy guy there going? What? I love my boy. Not that little bot. Yeah. You silly. Now you're going in your corner. Now you're going to your corner. Whoop. Now you're going to him's corner. Silly little boy. Silly little bot. Yeah, that's my little bot. Yeah. You silly boy. That's my little boy. Yeah. What, baby? What I love my butt. What I love my butt. Stiletto, that butt. Look at that stiletto. Look at that stiletto. Look at that. Yeah. You silly baby. Want to love my monkey butt. Want to love my monkey butt. What? Want I love that monkey butt. Yes, we do. Mama love you. Yes, I do. Goofer guy, goofer guy. Ooh, I, ooh, I, ooh, I. Where you going, Pinkie Pie? Silly boy. Oh, there he goes. Silly boy. Silly bot. There's a monkey pumpkin. There's our little pumpkin. What? What a little bot. What, my little cutie Judy? Where's that cutie Judy going? Where's that cutie Judy going? Well, that's okay. Mama just bumped the wall. Mama just bumped that wall. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Silly boy. Love my little munchkin pie. Goofy, goofy, goofy guy. Oh, here comes the big trumper, too. Look at that, both my boys. Yeah. Silly guys. Yeah, you're all right. You're all right. Two boys eating together. Silly guys. This kid cat's meowing at me and headbutting me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and unplugging.
Morning routine.
Mm-hmm. Where you going, tonight? Playing the munchkin trick?
Yep. Then I come onto this chair, I'll get you. Then I come onto
Are you
this chair,
playing
I'm
munchkin's trick? Playing,
onto this
hi,
chair,
mommy,
control.
chase me and get me, mommy. Yeah, you playing munchkin's trick? You gooey guy, you.
Unplug,
You gooey guy.
unplug it.
You trying to unplug too? Mm-hmm. I know you do. Uh-oh, silly. What? Where you going, big kitty cat?
I got
Where you go, big kitty cat? Where my big Trumpy going? They're being a silly boy. And they're being a silly boy. I'm gonna go out on the other night. It's only gonna go up to 88 today.
It's supposed to rhyme.
I know.
So needless to say,
Silly butt.
you don't want to go in my room unless you want to fall on your butt.
Silly butt. What, big kitty? You're just being you're being a lover boy like Munchkin, honey. You know, Munchkin gets all the lovings and attention. So I'm gonna start doing it too. Well, that's okay. I don't mind that. I don't mind that. I love to love on my Trumpy boy. You know that. I'm always hugging and kissing on you and picking on you and play fighting with you and letting you bite me and love me. Yeah. You guys just do loving's different. That's all. Yeah. Big guy. Big silly kitty cat. Big silly kitty cat. You know Mama love that big kitty. Yes, I do. You know that. You better know it by now. If you don't, you're slower learner than me. Yeah. And that's pretty bad. Of course, once you learn it, it will be there. Huh? Yeah. Big guy. Mama love that baby. Big silly boy. Ooh, not that Trumpy. Silly butt. This kitty cat's still meowing at Mama. I've been picking on you and petting you. Silly boy. I know.
I see and hear that motor.
Where'd your little brother go? Sally? Well, what? What?
Yeah, I qualify.
What
I qualify
big
for
love, my
medical
bug?
device if I was on my own.
Sally butt. Oh, yeah, I can
Because
understand.
of falling.
Yeah.
That's the only time I use it.
What?
Otherwise, I wouldn't just get. You know how some people call, oh, cut my toenails.
Yeah. I couldn't buy her those.
Scratch my back.
I got those stories that come on, people. It's really
There were a lot of people like that where we're from.
Yeah. Like when they look at it, they find trouble straight again, they could pay for it.
Good.
Sally butt. There's the other one. That silly little funny one who likes to have fun. Yes, mother mucking fun. There's that other one that likes to have fun. Yeah. What? Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh,
He's always doing that. What sounds weird on these floors?
Here comes the trumpet. He heard the door. He's sniffing the air and see if he smells any lizards or birds. It's supposed to be a nice day today. Gonna rain, I think, all day. So they say. Goofy guy. Oh, no, he's just gonna lay in the doorway, silly boy. He's being meowy and being a silly butt. Yeah, I'm following you. Yeah. I'm following you. Meowy butt. What do you keep meowing about, You want Mama to play with you, Daddy? Is that what you're meowing about? Huh, lover boy? What? Yeah. Is that it? You don't want Mama to eat breakfast? You want Mama to eat breakfast. Gooey kitty. Gooey kitty. Get that butt. He's just playing catch me. He's just playing him. Yeah, I'm following you. He looked like, Mom, aren't you going to follow me? I gotta go under this table now. Look at that butt. Oops.
I gotta hold you. I gotta squeeze it.
Look at that butt. Look at that little butt. Yeah, look at that butt way back there. Being a silly boy. Yeah, what are you doing, Monka Bonka? You gonna try to go behind the couch? I don't think you'll fit back there.
Oh, there you go.
I don't think you'll fit back there, little guy. I don't think I can reach you back there. Can I reach that
Because
silly
I thought
butt?
because the way they said people
Oh,
from
that's
Michigan
just
were saying
barely.
somehow listening to it and following the request on that faith on record.
You silly boy. You know, you're gonna go back there, you silly kitty. Okay, Mama gonna go check on her breakfast. Oh, you probably because Mama gave up on chasing you. You're not going back under their munchkin pot. Come on, you silly boy. Mama gotta eat breakfast.
Really?
You already ate your breakfast. I gotta eat mine, you little silly boy. You little goofy guy. Come on, you silly little butt, you. Come on, you little butt. Come on, you little butt. Come on, Mama gotta eat her breakfast too. You silly butt boo. Come on. Get that kitty. Come on, Munkin. Oh, what that? Did you have a little baby? What? Munkin had a little tiny baby. Yeah, where you going, big kitty? He's alright.
Being gooey.
He could be in my...
Yeah.
He'd be my little munchkin bot. Come on. What? What, my little gooey butt, you? Gooey, 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 goo, goo. Silly butt. Come on. Come on, munchkin bot. Get that kitty. He's under your chair.
Oh no.
Get it.
Ooh, get it, tickle the kitty, tickle it.
He got the kitty.
His silly butt.
Just gotta unplug. He's being a little butt. He just being a little butt. He just being a little butt. Yes, a miss. Him just being a little butt. Him always a little butt, aren't ya? Yeah. What, gooey?
Mommy, I like to be a butt.
Come on, silly butt. Get that kitty and give it a squeeze.
Oh, I need my breakfast.
He's alright. It's gotta cool off some anyways. And when squeeze it. Squeeze it, kitty. Squeeze it good. Tickle it good. Tickle it good. Tickle it good. Tickle it good.
Hi, Chuck. You keep coming over here all of a sudden.
I know. I felt him
My
yesterday.
little butt.
Ha, right down back.
Hi, silly butt. Come on, you're alright. You're alright. Come on,
Back of
Kinky.
that butt. Right down the butt. I mean, back of that butt.
Silly boy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now we can both eat. Silly guy. Mama didn't mean to sneeze. It just snuck up on me, little boy. Yeah. Mama, sorry, my little boy. Yeah. Mama did have to sneeze. I know you guys don't like when I sneeze, but you sneeze too. You little gooey goo 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 goo. I know, they do. They like to leave piles. We're all walking it, won't you? Yeah. Where you blip blip with your fur balls. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What big guy, huh? What baby? Mama's all right. I was just sneezing. Silly boy. You gonna jump on in a pond slab? What, Trumpy? Where's your brother Munchkie?
A group against psychological bioterrorism, cellular. I'm going to talk a little bit about what's fifth generation warfare.
Oh, he ran away. Goofball. Oh, there's a munch. Where'd you come from, Munchkie Bot? I looked under my bed. You weren't there. Then I looked in the bathroom. Well, maybe you were in the You're probably in the man cave. I looked, but I didn't turn on the light. What's the matter, Trumper Bot? Huh? What you mowing about, huh? What, silly kitty cat? What you meowing about? What you meowing about, silly butt? Gooey kitty. Come on, Trumpy. Now you're being like Munchkin hiding under the table. Silly guy. I'm not goof a boy. I heard meowing. I heard that meowing. I heard that meowing. Is a meowing up a storm being a gooey kitty. What? What are you mowing about, huh? What that kitty mowing about? What that kitty mowing about, huh? Wait a minute, my big boy. My big meow. What, you big meow? Meow. Big gooey guy. So I heard you meowing. Being a silly boy meowing. Was you meowing because Mama fell asleep? Huh? Or was you meowing at Munchkin wanting to play? Hmm?